Don't you just love a rainstorm at night, Neru?
No, I'm scared of thunder, lightning, the dark. I'm getting wet. This is literally the perfect storm of my fears.
Maybe we can find some better shelter. And maybe we can find some more koi for our huinga Matariki on the way.
Yeah, better shelter would be good. I hate the rain.
But without it, the trees wouldn't grow. And trees are amazing.
That's true, I guess.
Plus, you can catch the ua on your tongue for fun. Are you okay, little Kauri snail?
My mates call me Poopoorangi.
Oh, are you okay, little Poopoorangi?
Kinda. I'm trying to get to Tane Mahuta, but I'm a little lost.
Yeah, it can happen to the best of us.
Who's Tāne Mahuta?
Is he a friend of yours?
Tane Mahuta is the oldest, tallest, and kindest Kauri tree in Aotearoa. He's named after the god of the forest. Don't you guys know the story of Tāne?
No.
Kind of. Not really.
Kati o whatu, and I'll tell you the story. In the beginning, there was nothingness. Then the Sky Father, Rangi Nui, and Earth Mother, Poopoorangi, emerged. They were joined together, and their children were born into darkness.
I'm scared of the dark.
Don't worry, I'm with you, e hoa.
The children became frustrated and decided to separate their parents to allow light into the world. Tāne lay on his back and pushed with his legs. The earth and sky separated, and Te Ao Marama, the world of light, was created. The children became gods of the natural world, and Tāne became the god of the night. And when it's raining, we say, Kei te heke ngā roimata o Rangi Nui. The tears of Rangi Nui are falling.
Wow, I was listening so hard, I forgot about the rain.
I didn't.
I'm supposed to meet my whānau at Tane Mahuta, the great Kauri tree. But the rain has me all turned around.
We'll help you find Tane Mahuta.
That's very kind of you, my dudes. So you know where he is?
Nope.
But you got a map?
Nuh-uh.
Then how are we going to find one tree in the whole forest?
If we've learned anything on our Matariki adventure, it's that there's always a helpful new friend around the corner who might know where Tane Mahuta is.
I know where Tane Mahuta is.
Kia ora, ko Kiwi ahoi, and these are my friends, Neru and Poopoorangi.
Kia ora, ko Lisa Carrington aho.
I like your necklace, Lisa Carrington.
Dude, those are her 6 Olympic medals. Dame Lisa Carrington is a famous flatwater canoeist and Aotearoa's most successful Olympian. Like, ever.
Oh, I like your medals, Dame Lisa Carrington.
Thanks. And my friends just call me Lisa. I can help you find Tane Mahuta if you like.
That's very kind of you.
Being kind is my favourite thing to be. Follow me. Matariki is a nice time to remember to be kind to each other.
We're on a Matariki journey right now.
Yeah, we've already learned about the Matariki star, Pohutakawa, Waiti, and Waita.
What about Waipuna-ā-Rangi?
Waipuna-ā-Rangi.
It means water that pools in the sky. Waipuna-ā-Rangi reminds us to remember our loved ones, to share, rest, feast and be kind to one another. If you give to others, that kindness will come back to you.
Kiwi and Cat were kind enough to help me.
And you were kind enough to show us the way, Lisa.
You're welcome, my friends. And here we are.
Holy hecka-moly! I think here will be excellent shelter from the rain, Neru.
Finally.
Yay! The rain stopped.
Finally.
Oh, Junior! Mum and Dad! Nā mihi, iho. Thank you for your kindness.
Would you like to come to our Matariki party?
Yes, please. Can I, Mum? Pretty please. Miharo.
Would you like to come too?
I'd love to.
What about me?
The more the merrier, Tane Mahuta.
Oh, I do love a good huinga matariki.
We're gathering koi for our party guests. Oh, you don't know if there's anything yummy nearby.
There's puha growing wild just behind you.
Nā mihi, Mr. Mahuta.
Good luck on your Matariki adventure, guys. Now that the rain stopped, I think I might take my waka out on the lake.
I wonder what star we'll learn about next, Neru. I hope it's a star that's all about friends, having cool adventures.
Samesies.